Sunrise over rolling hills, waking Kigali town. Busy streets and friendly smiles, people all around. Market colors blazing bright, laughter in the air. Life in Kigali city, everywhere's a story there. Oh, life in Kigali city, where dreams begin to fly. From the hills down to the valley, under African sky. Rhythms of the heartbeat, dancing through the night. Life in Kigali city, shining bold and bright. Motors weaving through the crowd, music in the street. Kids are playing, vendors shouting, life's rhythm is so sweet. Coffee shops and tall green trees, art on every wall. Kigali's soul is warm and strong, it's home to one and all. Oh, life in Kigali city, where dreams begin to fly. From the hills down to the valley, under African sky. Rhythms of the heartbeat, dancing through the night. Life in Kigali city, shining bold and bright. From dusk to dawn, the city glows. Stories old and new, a place of hope, a place of love for me and you. In every corner, every smile, a spark of unity. Life in Kigali city, forever wild and free. Oh, life in Kigali city, where dreams begin to fly. From the hills down to the valley, under African sky.